Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create, how you can learn some easy skills and how I teach you, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn money. These are very easy skill and they are not much high paying skill, but these skills are worth it because you have to work for 2 to 3 minutes and you earn handsome amount. So let's go to fiverr.com, and the skill I teach you today is Pinterest pin design. And let's go on Fiverr and let's see is there is a demand of this skill or not. Pinterest pin, and you can see 2200 plus services available. I will design professional Pinterest pins, so I click on this, and he got 567 reviews, means he charged he completed 1200 to 1500 orders, because not every client give you review. So after that, basic, he charged $60 and 6 design, a package of 6 professional static Pinterest pins plus free source files, 8 designs, and in $100 10 designs recommended. That's great. And let's see his portfolio. Yeah, its portfolio is good. I will teach you exactly how you can create portfolio like this. So that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's move towards how we can create this. So I am going to canva.com. Canva.com is one of the best graphics designing software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. So I write here Pinterest pin. I click on this. I click on create a blank, and I want to create a pin related to fashion. So I write here fashion, and it shows me templates related to fashion. No, sorry, we couldn't find any templates of fashion. Okay, like good. So it provides me template, but I don't like these templates, so click on fashion. Yeah, so it provides me different templates related to fashion. You can choose one of the template and make up pins according to it. So I click on this one. I like this, and now I have to change the photo. So I go to photos, and here I search for fashion and vertical, because our Pinterest pins are verticals. So I think this one is good, so I paste here, and you have to customize the heading according to your need. You if you want to give your like personal details here, your shop details, or anything you want, you can uh, write it here by using the text option. So in this way you can create a Pinterest pin and sell this skill on Fiverr. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn and learn through it. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.